guys, and welcome to AuntDi's Craft Room, and I'm AuntDi. Today I'm going to do a product review. I had gone and ordered a few things from Craft Supply Canada, and I am actually quite impressed so far. I haven't cut anything yet, but we will. That's what we're going to do today. So some of the stuff I ordered is ribbon, which is beautiful. This beautiful ribbon. I have felt ribbon I ordered. I ordered other ribbons. They had lots of ribbons if you like ribbons. They also have little items that you can already use to spruce up the items that you're making. This is just a little bow that would look really cute on a card or a picture frame. I also just checked out some of the quality of stuff. So I picked up this keychain holder. Very good. Very happy. So the only problem I'm having is that this stuff is gorgeous, and I'm having an issue with bringing myself to cut some of it. So I'm going to show you what I ordered. It's all a form of vinyl, or as they call it, vinylette. There's some faux suede, lots of different options. So this is a clear plastic. It almost feels like rubber boots or a rain jacket. Very good. This one I love, absolutely love. Now these are not ones that have a stick. These are like fabric, faux leather. Love this one. Also, I love the designs on this. Isn't that gorgeous? Like, that would make a beautiful bag. I'm gonna have to get bigger pieces of this. And this is more like a patent leather, I would say. Now this is one of my favorite. It is soft, it's fuzzy, it's pink, and it's got glittery hearts on it. So this would make a sweet little teddy bear if you're into making stuff like that. Faux fur, you name it, they had it. This one's beautiful with the lace. Another style that they have. More styles. This is like, if I'm not mistaken, this is their faux suede. Some patterns. They're pretty cool. Here's one for Christmas, or for the guys. It does say little man on it, so wonderful. They even have glittered ones on the back. It's just a fabric, but like, that's strong, that's durable. And the last one I ordered was just a rainbow glittery. So I'm gonna cry, but we are gonna cut some of these. I think I'm just gonna cut hearts out just to see how they cut. But so far, yeah, Craft Supply Canada so far has 2 thumbs up. So let's keep going and get some cuts done. Okay, so let's clean some of this up a bit and move some of this over the side. Now I have a couple of options for mats. Because it's fabric, I was thinking my fabric mat. But that I think we'd use for this piece, okay? Because it's so flimsy. That I would use the fabric mat for. And we will. And I'm going to cry. Next to that, I'm just going to use my regular standard mat. As you can see, it's my green mat. And let's see, what are we going to start with? First one I showed you, the polka dot see-through one. So we're going to place it on the mat like so. And just to be sure, because this is not a fresh mat, I'm going to use my briar to bri it down, or to push it down and secure it. As you can see with the strings on it, it's not a fresh mat. So we're going to go over here, and if you can see these little white tabs along the bar, move them. They are stiff, so let's move those one at a time. Right to the right. I'm sure as I move them more and more, they will get looser. And one great thing about the maker is it tells you before it even cuts if you've got the right part in, which is awesome. Now it's time to see how it does. So I'm not going to move it. I'm just going to check it. And it's cut. So let's see. Let's pull it off right here. And yeah, oh yeah, that did wonderful. So now let's pick another piece. There's our star. And there's our heart. So now let's pick another piece. Let's do, oh, I don't want to ruin any of this, but let's do one of the glitter ones. Let's do the hardest one of the two glitter ones. Look at that glitter. Isn't, like, that's awesome glitter. Use my standard good old green mat. Gonna put it down, but I am gonna briar it also to make sure it sticks. Perfect. Now to put it in the Cricut, and now I'm not even sure if I've got the right setting once again, because I've never cut this, so I'm not sure where it would fall under. So I'm just going to pull it and reveal it. And wow, another great cut. Beautiful. Let's do the faux suede. Okay. So let's put it on this mat. Probably, I'm not sure, I haven't even looked to see what mat I technically should have it on. So I'm just going to push it down. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to figure this out, set the cuts up and put it on the maker and turn you guys around so you can see it, and I'll be right back. Hopefully this mat's going to hold this down. That feels so nice. Okay, so here it is. Let's reveal. And that cut, and it cut beautifully again. This material is pretty awesome. So let's find the other side, and we'll just put it down on the fabric mat. And like I did already, but a little bit more, I'm just going to briar it down. So I'm just trying to figure out what to cut this one on, and I figured this is going to be a good one to test because it's like there's 2 layers. Stopper and pop her out. So this being a very different kind of material, I really was not sure how to do this. So let's see. It's still even though I probably didn't pick the right spot to cut it, it's still cut. And it's still cut more than to my liking. So, because there's one. Being fabric, it does have a little fraying, but not bad. There's the other. This would make really nice, well, decals that you can just sew on. So, I think so far, all this is awesome. I think it's now time to put it right to the test with my absolute favorite piece. The piece that I am going to cry to say goodbye to. So, I'm going to definitely use my fabric. This would be, I would classify it as a faux fur, but it's definitely not a thick piece of fabric. It's very thin. Well, not thin, but it's not thick. It doesn't have anything below. It's just the fabric. No backing. And it's gorgeous, and I'm going to cry. So here we go. Let's go over to the maker. Now, I never checked over at the maker before I lifted it to see if it was enough of a cut. It might not even have been, but it's looking like it was. Oh, did it ever cut? Perfect. Look at this. Look, it's just pulled right off without any problems. The maker cut it in a perfect heart. And in a perfect star. So, yeah, guys, this is just some of the different materials that I bought on my own that from Craft Supply Canada. And let me show you how well the ones we did just cut. Look at that. Let's try to get some of them in the frame here. There we go. That's better. Would I put my stamp of approval on this company? Yes, I will. I'll definitely be ordering from them again, probably before the day's out. And yeah, very good material. Very good material. Remember that it's not always the material's fault when it doesn't cut properly. Majority of the time, it's the operator's fault. In this case, they all cut perfectly. I just had to find the right settings to cut it at. And we did. And it cut. So you can't ask for more than that. So guys, listen. Rush over to Craft Supply Canada and put an order in and start crafting with this stuff. You can even use my promo code for 10% off. Yay! Anyways, guys, take care. Happy crafting, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.